In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Notion with your Google Calendar. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up Google Calendar, sign into your account. Then from there, open up a new tab and then head on over to Notion and also sign into your account. Now we need to head in the settings inside of Notion. So to do this, we want to click on your name on the top left hand corner, and then we've got the little settings gear icon. Go ahead and click onto that, and now our settings box should appear like so. Now on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. We want to go ahead and click on the connections tab here. Now once we're here, we want to go ahead and click onto where it says browse connections in gallery, and now this is going to open up a new window. It might ask you to sign in, so I'm just going to sign in with my Google account on the top right hand corner. Then from here, we need to look for ToSync. So here it is here under all integrations. Go in and click on ToSync. Then from here, once you're on this page, we want to go ahead and click on the Learn More button on the top right hand corner of the page. Now this is going to open up a new page here. Then it'll say create a new automation. Please select the automation type you would like to use. So at the top here, it's got a two-way sync with Notion with Google Calendar. So go ahead and click onto that option. Then it'll say, hello there, let's first connect your Google Calendar or your calendar. So go ahead and click on Connect Google Calendar. Now it's going to want you to sign into your Google Calendar. So go ahead and sign into your Google account here like so. And then click on OK, OK. And then I'm going to select all so they can see the list of Google Calendars that you subscribed, calendar settings and all that stuff. So click Continue again. And then it'll say to make the synchronization work, we need a few permissions from your Google account. So I'll say, see the list of Google Calendars you're subscribed to, view your calendar settings, and view and edit events on your calendar. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. And now choose your Google account again. Click Continue. Then it'll say ToSync's previous has already some access. So click Continue again.